You know what? I don't have any friend. I'm looking for a friend, but I don't know how to find a new friend. But you know what? One of my friend has suggested me to open the Telegram. And then I just asked him, Telegram? Seriously? Yes. Through Telegram, now you can find new friends with your locality only. So how? Let's start the video to know the whole process. Okay, so let's start the process. First of all, open the Telegram. Now, click on this three dot. Now you can see the option people nearby. Click on that. Now you are getting two options. Make myself visible or create a local group. Now just wait. Telegram is searching the people of your locality. Now you can see a lot of people are visible here from your locality. Now you can send messages to anyone and you can make friends. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. And please make new friends through Telegram or through any social medias. I'll meet you in the next one.